welcome to the Dubai is one of the best place. I mean, this is called Lab Lake. This is one of the best lake. We recently visit some amazing that we enjoy a lot, and we just want to show that where we go. Just see this place. It's amazing. So you can find out this kind of love scene everywhere. I mean, wow, amazing view. I mean, this is awesome. Here is I am just showing you people that place. Wow, see the background and see the fish. My kids are feeding the fish nearby that they are sitting around. See the Arjan is surrounding. Hey Arjan is giving the food in fish. This fish is coming nearby the people. Okay, so awesome fish. See the coloring fish is there. When you come in the evening time, like a 5 o'clock, you can see the around. It's amazing view. I mean, the lakeside you can walk and you can see the atmospheres and the peoples around there. They're enjoying a lot. See the stone is drawing like a love scene. So awesome. And people walking there. It's like a mind-blowing place in Dubai. It's the best place, I believe. This is also one of the best places. Now see this? The people are walking one part to another part inside the water. It is wow, amazing. So like you can see, there is water. It's not too much deeper. It's like a knee size water. See, amazing. The white flowers there. Tunnel. Enjoying lot, believe me, it's a very good. She's always feel that she's in heaven, like. I could be in Dubai, I believe I can come in the evening time to walk in this place. This is very good for jogging. This is our surprise visit, so we enjoy a lot. Thank you for watching.